Hi, welcome to my channel. This is higher secondary second year commerce management third part. So we are going to study the topic of is management is art or a science. Okay. So first, as usual, definition we have studied this. So in simple, it is to control, is to manage, and to organize something is called as a management. Okay, the best example of management is the CEO of organization. We have studied already this all levels of management. We have three levels of management: top level management, middle level management, as well lower level management. Okay, so it is a goal oriented. It's art of getting things from done with and through others. So this is called as management. And next one, management is an art or a science. So what is the art, what is the science? So let me explain you what is the science. Science is nothing but like when you want to do any experiment, we're going to get into the lab and we are going to do some experiment. Suppose if you want to find out like how much the starches are in the leaf, how much oxygen is supplying in the leaf, how much what type of like chemicals is been bonding, all these things we are going to do it in the laboratory and we are going to find out. That is called as a science. What is an art? Art is nothing but how the skilled you are, how you are applying your skills, how you are applying your intelligence and creativity. Like for example, let me say about the art, even cooking is also an art, even a drawing, even the one who is a poet, all things comes under an art. Okay, how you are thinking, how you are logically thinking, how you are creatively thinking, that is called as an art. But my question is, what is management, whether is an art or a science? This is how what you are going to study. Okay, so is management is an art or a science? First let me study whether it is a science or not. Okay, management is an in an exact sense. So like what are I said, like when you put up a leaf, you want to find out how much starch is there in that leaf, so you're going to put it in the botany lab and you're going to find out how much, whether it is starch, how much is it, whether it is approved or disapproved. Okay, whether it's proved or disproved. So this is how you are going to do. But in the management, what we are going to use all our principles, management principle, that is we are going to put it in the organization. Like we are going to put men, that is labor, mission, money and material, everything into that. We are putting this 4M's, we call it as 4M's. This 4M's into the organization. We are just proving. If you are success, then it is proved. If you are unsuccess, then it is called disapproved. Okay, it is just like a science where you are putting something experiment into the organizations like a lab, and when mission, money and materials like what you are doing an experiment. Okay, so that's all called as is an art or science. So it's not in exact science. Okay, it's an inexact science. So next let me talk about art. What is an art? Already I said it's a learning of skill. So what creativity you are doing it, the way of skill you are displaying it, all this comes under an art. Suppose for example, if a musician, if if some musician is like when we ask him to sing a song, or when we ask him to play keyboard, like without any hesitation he'll do it, right? This is called as an art because he was skilled in performing the respective art. So he can perform it to any situation, or to anybody is going to exhibit his skill. That is called as an art. Okay, that's general what is art. But everyone will think that management is in the commerce subject. Yes, it is an art. No, it can be an art or it can be a science. We'll see, we'll decide. Here what happened, that is common regarding the art, but I'm talking from the point of management. How is a management is an art? We'll see. Manager, I said already, manager is going to play a very important role, very key role. Like what happened, like what are the decision is being made by the higher authorities. The manager, he'll take from the higher authorities. The manager is going to assign the work. Okay, and he is going to think from full, he'll put all the decision making, everything is depends on the management. How is going to take the work from the people, right? So it's not a doing experiment, he's making a creative thinking, he's making all imagining, like this people can do, this people can't do. So all these things he was done with the judgment. Okay, so here what happened, even a management is based on an art. Okay, so conclusion, my question next is it science or an art? Okay, so I said science is a logical reason, factual analysis. It is proved things. Yes, why? But art, it's creativity, ability. It is associated with particular task. But my conclusion, it is neither a science nor an art, but it's a combination of both. Why? Because you are applying all the forums, okay, and you are applying all the forums, and you are holding the manager position. That is, you are thinking creatively, thinking, you taking a good judgment, and your like the way you think itself is helps to get into the successful, and effectively you can get the to achieve the goals, right? So you are applying a scientific principle in order to achieve the goals through the creativity, through the logical. Okay, so this management is neither a science nor an art. We can't say management is exact science, management exact art, but it is a combination of both. Okay, so next, okay, that's all for today. Thank you. If you like the video, you can like, share and subscribe to others. Stay tuned for further videos. Thank you.